See it? It's just going over the trees.
Oh.
You can barely see it. On here anyway. That exhaust flume ought to get pretty bright here when it gets in the sunlight. I see it good now. Huh? Come over here.
No, I mean with my camera.
Oh. Oh, you'll get a good shot of the white. Look at this airplane coming.
Yeah.
Airplane's gonna hit it. Airplane's going right at it. Oh my God, it's gonna be close. Turn. Turn. Oh, he just went under it. That was close. I thought I saw the boosters. See the boosters coming down? See in the middle of the white? To the right? Or is that a plane or is that the booster? No, that must be an airplane. See it? Going from left to right?
No.
It's an airplane.
Oh, maybe, are you talking about way up there or way down in the smoke?
Down by the smoke.
Oh, I don't see it.
Still going strong.
Yeah. Keep going, baby.
Now we go inside and see if it lands on the barge all right. Right? That's what it looks like from here.